It was a chilling and deadly act of violence more than 2 years ago. FDNY EMS Captain Allison Russo, a 25-year veteran of the department and 9/11 first responder, stabbed to death for no apparent reason as she left her station house in Astoria to pick up some food.
Well, today, a crucial hearing to determine whether the man charged with her killing is mentally fit to stand trial. Eyewitness News reporter Kemberly Richardson was in the courtroom.
Strength in numbers. First responders here inside Queens Criminal Court today rallying behind Danielle Foucault, there with the long blonde hair. Her mother, Allison Russo, was brutally murdered, stabbed more than 20 times back in September of 22, allegedly by this man, Peter Zizopoulos. At the time, Russo was working for the FDNY, an EMS lieutenant. The 61-year-old was on duty, walking not far from her station in Astoria, Queens, when she was viciously attacked. Monday, supporters crowded the same courtroom for the start of jury selection, but that has been put on hold. The defense says a pair of doctors has determined their client, who they say is schizophrenic, is not fit to stand trial. Just 2 days ago, Dr. Alan Perry, a psychologist, re-examined the 36-year-old and today stood by his original finding. In court, Perry called the defendant, quote, psychotic and delusional. At one point, Perry reveals Zizopoulos believes the video showing the entire unprovoked attack, that it is, quote, fake, a film he insists was created by authorities using, quote, doppelgangers of himself and Russo. But the prosecution fired back. In 2023, Zizopoulos was found fit to stand trial. Perry did testify the defendant understands the judicial process and his legal options, calling him, quote, a bright man. During Monday's exam, Perry says Zizopoulos told him he didn't want to pursue the psychiatric defense, didn't want to plead guilty to a crime he didn't commit, adding he only needed to convince one juror of that to win the case. Kemberly Richardson, Channel 7, Eyewitness News.